got him. Look at that trout. Oh, nice fucking trout. Nice little trout. That's a keeper too. Almost just hooked one there. Goodbye, buddy. Oh, we found the trout. Ruined my paddle tail. Oh my god. I don't know what we got, guys, but it's something good. Oh, gator trout. Gator trout. Stay on there. Not a gator, still a good trout. God, dog. Can you stop? Chill, bro. God. Boy, got some teeth on him, boy. Man, that's a nice trout. Clean off the camera here. He nailed that thing as soon as it hit the water. Oh, 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 goodbye. There he is. That's a trout. Gotta keep him pinned. Oh, yeah. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. I love catching these trout. Bro, you better chill out. Just bit my hand. It's a nice, probably 19, 20 inches. Let's put him back. Fucker. We found the fish, guys. Oh, that's a ladyfish. That's cool. Good bait. There we go. Oh, that's a nice trout. Stay on it. Stay on it. Woo! Yes, sir. Dude, that thing is huge. Oh my god. Wow, that is beautiful. Awesome. Later, buddy. What an awesome day, man.